Hi guys, we have a new video today. I'm going to be showing you how to create an interactive card or image animation just like the one you're seeing on my screen. I'm going to be using this particular screen to show you how you can achieve this interaction. Let's get right into it. I'm going to bring in my already designed cards, and then I'll rename these cards. I'll call this card 1, card 2 to avoid errors, card 3, and then highlight the three of them. Head over to our component section and select create component set in order to have multiple variants of this card. Then I'm going to quickly head over to the prototype section, and I'm going to select this first card and link it to the second one and set the trigger to after delay of 3000 meter per second and set the animation to dissolve linear and 300 meter per second. Then I'm also going to select the second card, and then I will link it to the third one and set our trigger to after delay of 3000 meter per second square. And I'm also going to leave the animation as dissolve and the curve linear. Then I'm also going to select this last one and then take it back to the first one. That way it animates automatically. Then I'm going to also set it to after delay of 3000. Then I'm also going to set it to dissolve linear 300 meter per second square. I'll quickly bring in my screen and then select an instance of this and then replace our current card with our instance. So I'm going to select the card and then paste to replace. I'm going to preview this interaction, highlight this. This is the interaction. You can as well reduce the animation timing or increase it depending on your needs, but here is me just showing you how to simply achieve that. So we've come to the end of this video, and I hope that you learned something today. If you have concerns, questions, please do let me know in the comment section.